Welcome to the SAFSG Registry demo. If you want to see general info about batches and overall inventory, you can do it on the dashboard. But specific data about the batches can be seen in the SAF batches. When we click on any of the batches, a preview batch window will open where we can see all the data about the batch, and also we can print it. For each SAF batch in the list, we have several actions. We can edit, split, delete, move back to book and claim, move to warehouse. We can edit the existing data of the batch, and also, if we don't need it, we can delete the batch. Let us split a batch. Enter the amount to split. That will create a new batch with that amount and reduce the initial batch for the same amount. Press the split button. National mandate and voluntary sale are both toggle fields. You can quickly update their status on or off. We can also move a batch to another warehouse. We must select which warehouse we are moving this batch to. A paper trader warehouse is a virtual location. There is no physical transport or transit or a physical tank behind it. The system simply reassigns the ownership and location on paper, and the transfer is immediate. Before batches can be moved into BCUs, we need to upload supplier documentation. In the sidebar menu, we go to Settings, then Supplier Document, and press the button to Add New Document. Select the document type. Upload the document and add the audit date and press the Add button. Supplier Documentation is where we store certificates and audit reports for each supplier. To work with BCUs, we also need an auditor. Under Accounts, we see the list of all users and their roles. We see the list of all users, and at the bottom, press Invite New User. Fill the fields, add the specific role, and send invitation. When we choose Move to Book and Claim, a form opens where we set the bundled price, the Scope 1, the Scope 3, and fill the rest of the fields. Eligible Incentives describes which incentive schemes can be claimed for this BCU, and the production year will later appear on the retirement statement. When the form is complete, we click Proceed to Activation. This sends the batch to the auditor, and we have to wait for the auditor to approve the request. Once it's approved, we, as the supplier, can go to the left sidebar, open the BCUs section, and see it in the list of all BCUs. All of BCUs were created from our SAF batches. Once the status is approved, we can see the action for a specific BCU. We will go through these actions in the next video.